Well, good morning. We're getting ready to start working on getting the bridge fixed and the road fixed up for the bridge. To recap, we have a retaining wall out that is letting the water flow through, wiped out the road before the low water bridge. Basically, the low water bridge is not even being functional right now while we're getting ready to try and fix this. And I'll give you a quick tour to take a look. All right, so here's the low water bridge, or the road that used to be there, and all of this is where the retaining wall used to be. We have a truckload of riprap coming in, big giant boulder-like rocks. That's going to be dumped probably about right there, so that we can stop this up and start pushing it up underneath that area to support the low water bridge. Once that is done, then we can finish filling it in to connect the rest of this drive to the low water bridge so that we can get over to the main property. All right, we got over and just looking at everything that has been done so far. We've got the river here. Wes has been diligently trying to straighten this all up so that at some point we might actually be able to drive on it.
Well, I need to do a lot more box plating on it, but a truck could get out through here. So, got that hole stopped. We got the other two holes that were coming across down here stopped, so you can see that the water stopped coming through. Now, hopefully, it's going to start drying out a little bit, but there's a lot of rock here that's up. I know it's hard to tell on the camera, but I'm going to end up using this rock to load into the dump trailer, go back there and fill in between the riprap on the other side. Let me get the rock in. But, yeah, there's a mess. All this area we mow down here. This area is all mowed.
Was mowed. That's going to be a while before we mow all of that again.
Yeah, bad part about it is a lot of this, you can see it's all really, really wet. And, but you can see right here where I blocked it up here. And then down here, you can tell where I blocked it up. But it looks like this time we're going to have to bring in dirt. Fill in down here. But look at that. Look at the hole right there. It's amazing the power of water and what it does. And look at all the rock going all the way back that way. And see, we mow all that. So, yeah, there's a lot to do around here. And just the tractor's not going to do it, so we're probably going to end up having to get a small track loader. Do some cleanup, that's for sure. Yeah, you can see. So at least the water's bypassing, not coming across here anymore. So all we need to do is get this dried out so we can start cleaning up. It's going to take some time.
All right, like I said, we're getting some rock in. They're the riprap, big boulders. We're going to dump it somewhere over here. Let's just see how this goes. That's the load. Now we just got to get the skid steer in here.
Takes a little bit to get used to that. Yeah, that's a lot easier with that. I can't get up in there.
Now we just got to wait for another load to come in. How many loads did you say? 2 more loads?
One left. 20 tons. It's going to be more than that. About 4 tons more. So, get stuff into here. I had this dumping in here. Right in here. Hopefully I can switch it.